To do applications with the metric system, we're going to be using what we've learned about unit fractions to be able to combine different metric units together. So our first step would be to convert all measurements to the same unit using unit fractions. So converting into both of these into centimeters or both of these into meters, both of these into millimeters or both into meters. And then once they have like units, operate. And remember, operations are adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, as indicated. So if I want to add 3 meters to 82 centimeters, I first need to convert into a common unit. I can change my 3 meters into centimeters using this unit fraction, and then add the second number, giving me a total of 382 centimeters. I could also have changed this into meters by taking the 82 centimeters and multiplying by its unit fraction so that the centimeters would go away. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Looks a little awkward. Let's see if we can make that better. Okay, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So I'd get 0.82 meters, and 3 plus 82 hundredths is 3.82 meters. So if they don't tell you whether they want it in centimeters or meters, you can choose which unit you want to go to. Okay. Adding 4 meters to 742 millimeters. The unit fraction that will get me from meters to millimeters is 1,000 over 1. So that's 4,000 millimeters. And when I add the 742 to that, I end up with 4,742 millimeters. Or, to make that back into meters, I can use the unit fraction that gets rid of millimeters and changes to meters by dividing by 1,000. So 4 and 742 thousandths meters. Okay. Looking at an application of this, Rhonda has a chain that is 1 meter 30 centimeters long. She cuts off a piece that is 75 centimeters long. Find the length of chain remaining in centimeters. So she's starting with a piece that is 1 meter plus an additional 30 centimeters long. Using my unit fraction, I know that 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. So my initial chain is 130 centimeters long. When I subtract the piece of chain that is 75 centimeters long, I get that the remaining piece is 55 centimeters. So to go back through these steps again, I first converted all the measurements to the same unit. And because the problem specifically told me it wanted its answer in centimeters, I converted the meters from the initial problem into centimeters, 1 meter equaling 100 centimeters, plus the additional 30 centimeters of the original piece of chain. Then I subtracted 75 centimeters, because that was the piece that she cut off, and it leaves me with a piece that is 55 centimeters remaining.